What's up everybody, Naresh here, welcoming you back into another video. And in today's video, we are looking into a digital wireless backup camera kit for your car by a company called FX. Kind of pretty much straightforward in a wireless system, so anyone can install it with a less amount of knowledge towards the DIY jobs. Backup camera system is equipped with the IP68 waterproof rating, 110 degree of wide angle of view, 5-inch color LCD display, 0.1 lux night vision LED light, wireless complete transmission, and with the view of HD at 720p. Now in my video reviews, I tend to go extra mile showing each and everything about the product I am reviewing. So this video is no difference at all. So first to start with, we're going to look into what comes with this camera system, following with the installation and the demonstration. So by the end of this video, you will have an idea that is this system for you or not, and how easy it is to install this on your car too. So let's not waste too much of time and see what we have inside the package. One user manual explaining each and everything about this camera system, how the connection should be, and what you need to know about them. 5.0 LCD screen with the 5 quick access buttons on the top, starting with the first one, which is for the reverse guidelines. Second one, which is for the mirror or a normal image option. After that, you have a plus and minus to control the brightness, M to access the menu of your 5-inch display. Right here you have a port which is for the wireless antenna, and a sorted fitting to install the suction cup holder for this LCD display. There's a small power cable available here with the special connector on windscreen mirror, or if you want on the dashboard installation cradle with the suction cup on it. Simply slide it in just like that. You're going to hear the click sound, that means it's locked. Now this suction cup holder is easy and straightforward to use. I do not need to explain much in there for you guys, but you can also adjust the angle up and down as well by loosening this screw right in here. One 5-meter long cigarette lighter charger to power up your 5-inch LCD display, with one USB output port as well on it, which is capable to output 5 volt at 2.4 amperes, and it can be used from 12 to 24 volt power supply. Here is your backup camera with a special connector on it, couple of tie wrap 3M highly adhesive pads, as well as cable strippers, one standard camera mounting bracket on top of your number plate. Now here is a very important module which you're going to install on your reverse light, and that is also acts as a transmitter as well to transmit the image which is coming from your backup camera straight to your LCD display. Very simple and straightforward piece of kit, to be honest with you guys. Now from the parts point of view, everything seems to be there. Here is your wireless antenna which you're going to install on top of your LCD antenna port. Simply screw it in, no problem whatsoever with it. Straightforward to go for. Well, now display is good to go and ready to install on our car. Now the first thing we need to do is install the camera on top of the number plate. Well, now camera is fitted on the back very nicely. All the cables are tucked in nicely too. My intentions were to put the camera, my intentions were to put the wireless unit inside here, which I have really done it, and wired all these things on the back of my reverse light as well. I'm sorry I've not shown you these all instructions how to do it. The reason is the weather is changing so badly and quickly, so I had to do it very quickly. Didn't have enough time to make a video about it. But honestly speaking, the instructions which are provided with the user manual are helpful enough to deal with all these things. Well, let's go ahead and do a dry test where I have just simply plugged in my wireless display into cigarette lighter charger, and as soon as I put the reverse gear on, I should see the display coming on with the lines as well on it. Voila, there we go. Not that bad at all, guys. Pretty good actually, to be honest with you. Worked straight away no worries whatsoever. Now it's time for me to install this display somewhere nice. Chosen to install this display in the middle of the dashboard. Looks alright, not that bad at all. Wiring is kind of tidy up and powered to the cigarette lighter charger. Let it be a small dry test to start with. Voila, works great. I can see it all very clearly in very much detail as well, and that is what I love the most about this display. Now lines which you have on the display can be turned on and off if you want to, or if you wanted to install this display on somewhere else where you need to flip the screen by press of a one button, middle button on the top, you can just do it just like that. Then after that you have 3 more buttons on the top to look into. Middle one is the selection of mode, which will tell you how to change the brightness, select the contrast ratio, and anything like that. Simple is that. You can go up and down on brightness or contrast ratio too. Well, now it's time for the full demonstration. Well, now let's check out the distances, that how far from the camera that green part is. Now distance from the car rear camera to the green part here is about 7 feet. And the start of red part is around 18 inches from the car camera, minus 6 inches of bumper, so you can make it out as about 1 feet. So altogether you have 7 lines on these dotted green, yellow and red lights. Each dot represent 1 feet of distance, so you can actually get an idea that how far your car would be. Well, here we are in the end of this video, and I try to show each and everything a user should know about this car reverse backup camera, which is totally wireless, no hassle of extra wiring at all. A small DIYer can do this job in no time, and it only took me around half an hour to fit it all inside and tuck up all the wires too. Now honestly speaking, the performance of it is fantastic, works great on the display as well. All the markers are fantastic as well. I honestly have only good things to say about this display, but if you think there is something negative, do let me know in the comment section down below. And from my side, the recommendation for this camera would be 100%. If your car does not support any reverse camera in there and you think it will be useful to you, this is the product you look for. Now that would be completely all from my side, guys. Thank you again for watching this video. Shall see you soon into another one. Bye for now.